Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at Stack Empire. Now Stack Empire guys is a brand new cloud-based design application, and with this application guys you'd be able to get instant access to 50 million images of videos, illustration, GIFs, vectors, stickers, audios, and much more. Alright, now this is the dashboard of Stack Empire guys, and before I'm going to show you the demo of this, how this works, let me show you first my bonuses. That way when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out get great result with Stack Empire. My bonus number one for you guys, I'm gonna give you access to your own Canva Pro account. So I have this Canva Pro account, guys. I'm gonna give you access, guys. I'm gonna invite you to my Canva Pro account. That way you don't need to purchase or pay for a monthly payment for your Canva Pro account, and you get access to a lifetime Canva Pro account, your very own Canva Pro account, guys. This can save you hundreds of dollars each and every month, because when you get your purchase Canva Pro account, you're gonna have to pay for a monthly payment. Just like I said, I'm gonna give you access. This is a bonus number one. Alright. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna give you access to an unlimited background removal tool. This can save you guys $27, because when you upgrade your account, which is OTO number 4, you get access, guys, to background removal tool, which you're gonna need to pay for $27. Right, this can save you $27 because I'm gonna give you access, guys, to an unlimited background removal software. It's gonna remove background on complete autopilot. Just basically dragging an image to the software, and this software, guys, will automatically remove your background without you having to pay a credit or a monthly payment right here. All right, so that is my bonus number two. My bonus number three, guys, I'm gonna show you how I generate $70 to $100 per day with ClickBank using only free traffic. So we have this case study, guys, showing exactly step-by-step process on how I'm able to generate $70 exactly, guys, step by step. I'm going to show you what funnel that I use, what traffic that I use, guys, and what offer that I use, what product that I promote. I'm going to show you exactly that in this bonus number three right here. My bonus number four, guys, I'm going to give you access, guys, to a case study on how I'm able to generate $112 per Quora. This is really powerful, guys. I want to show you guys a case study live in front of your eyes on how I'm able to generate $112 on complete autopilot using this strategy. All right. Bonus number four, guys, I'm gonna give you a case study on how I'm able to generate $38 using a set and forget free traffic source. And this traffic source, guys, will consistently get you clicks, get you eyeballs on complete autopilot, promoting any kind of offers, right? You can promote different kind of offers with this set and forget free traffic source. It's really powerful, guys, right? So I have this case studies as well showing exactly how I did this, right? My next bonus for you guys, I'm going to show you a case study on how I'm able to make $100 over and over again just by chatting to my email. All right, and you can also do the same, guys, with this strategy. It's really powerful, guys. No one is going to show you this method because this came from my own knowledge and from my own experiences, guys. And now all of these bonuses, guys, is like, different kind of strategies, guys, to make money online, and no one is going to show you this because this is from my own experiences, from my own strategies that I use, guys, to generate this kind of results, promoting different kind of offers. I'm going to show you that in this bonuses right here, right? My next bonus for you guys, I'm going to show you how to make monthly recurring commissions with ClickBank. I'm going to show you guys step-by-step process on how to do this. That way you can also promote this offer, how to create funnel, how to create opt-in pages, and how to drive traffic into your funnel, guys. Targeted traffic that will literally get you really fast result to make money or to make recurring payment with ClickBank, or to make recurring commission with ClickBank, right? And then the last bonus for you guys, if you wanted to hop in a call, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to a one-on-one live session. If you wanted to hop in a call, I can also do that, all right? But all of these bonuses right here, guys, can really help you guys out get great result with your affiliate marketing business or whatever business that you're trying to do right now, right? So this is like, can really help you guys out when it comes to making money online. All right, so those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick it up through the link down in the description of this video. Now when you guys click that link, this will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this. The headline says brand new AI based web design application revolutionize the world of design with over 50 million images, videos, illustrations, GAFs, Victors, stickers, audios, and much more. Just watch this video right here, guys. And by the way, you can also sell your design, sell your images, guys, without any kind of monthly payment. All right. And there's scams with 30 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you can always refund your money and still be able to get access to all of my bonuses completely free of charge, guys. All right. Now let me show you inside, guys, what you can expect inside of Stack Empire. And what's really cool about Stack Empire, guys, that you can create workspace. So let me show you the demo of workspace right here. So this is the first time that you see, this is the first thing that you see once you log in into your Stack Empire account. You can create workspaces. If you have multiple teams in your company, let's say you have graphic designers or web designers, you can create workspace per specific team. So this is where you do it. You click on workspace right here. You would name your workspace, and then you would upload an image if you wanted to upload an image. And this is where you add team into that workspace. You'll see you wanted to add like a team, you got in their name, email address, and rule, and what workspaces that you wanted to add that specific member, right? So this is where you choose a workspace right here. And if you guys wanted to log into your workspaces, you just basically click on workspace right here and choose a workspace that you wanted to log in, and this will redirect you to this workspace right here. Alright, guys, and this is where you find those images, find the videos, stickers, icons, high quality sounds, social posters right here. And this background image is part of the upgrade. Alright, but if you wanted to like find an images, this is where you click on that one, and this is where you find all those images. You can also search a keyword right here, which say dog, cat. Let's try to search a dog right here and be able to find this high quality images specific for dogs, or if you wanted to search for cats, you can also do that. If you wanted to find videos specific only for cats, you can also search on cats right here, and it's gonna give you guys this high quality, you know, videos for specific for cats, right? Find stickers right here if you wanted to look use stickers. You can also search stickers right here, and logos and icons. You can also search logos and icons within this application right here. High quality sounds and social posters right here, right? So those are the things, guys, that you can expect inside of Stack Empire. And yeah, if just like I said, guys, if you guys would love to pick it up, throw the link down in the description of this video. You get access to this bonus right here, guys, that can really help you guys out, save a lot of money, guys, and make a lot of money, because I also provide you this case study right here, different kind of strategies to make money online, and also this Canva Pro account and this unlimited background removal tool, which can really help you guys out, save ton amount of money when you guys purchase Stack Empire. So that's pretty much, guys, my review. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And by the way, guys, just like I said, this comes with 30 days money back guarantee with no monthly payment. Just pay once and use forever. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.